Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can generate image with Leonardo AI for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can visit Leonardo AI. You can visit this website app.leonardo.ai, and then you're going to sign into this website with your Google account or your Facebook account, and then you can create a video or image with Leonardo AI. And for today's tutorial, we're going to generate image. So here we can choose the image option, or you can choose the image option here. It will bring you to the same menu. Okay, and actually I have already generated an image. I'm going to open up the image menu, image generation. Okay, and you just need to add the prompt here, and I recommend you to add detail prompt. And as you can see, I have added my prompt, and then we can click on generate. And for your information, we will have 150 credits, and to generate image you will need 40 credits. Okay, you just need to click on generate, and then you can generate an image, some images. Okay, these are the results guys, and then we just need to select one of them. If you want to download the image, you can click on the image, and then you can click on this download icon, and then the image will be downloaded. Okay, now it's done. Okay guys, that's all the way to generate image with Leonardo AI. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.